Okay guys, know that I have a ratchet, a breaker bar, and that Torx bit situation. I'm going to try to take this off. Now one of these bolts I've already stripped. Not completely, but I've stripped it. So I'm going to use a breaker bar to take this thing off. Then once I get them broke, I'll use the ratchet. Taking the bell housing off. Yeah, I went to the junkyard today, man. They charged me $60 for that. Radiator. I think I want to say that. Yeah, they charged me $60 for that radiator. I wasn't very happy about that. The radiator cost $200 and it had a small little error in it. But I believe I'll be able to fix it. I just hope that it fits. Now the one that is stripped is this one right here. Don't know what happened. I don't know what happened. But I just hope that I don't need it. I mean, I'm gonna get another screw. But it's just, you see how it's stripped? It's stripped. Now the problem I have is getting that little joker out. So I'm gonna take the rest of these out. And as I take the rest of these out, I'll get back with you guys after I finish stripping this one. Not stripping it, but getting it out. The problem is getting it out, and you guys don't want to see me struggle through getting that mess out. Anyway, y'all take it easy. I'll talk to you later. Next time we see each other, that bell housing should be off. Then we'll pick up where we left off. Okay guys, Ken coming at you from Ken.com, 1970 Pontiac Firebird, True Phoenix, April 25th, 2025.